Hey guys, Tam here from Perfect Supplements Australia. Thanks for joining us today. So today I'm going to be walking you through the process of how to make our gut-healing pink flamingo smoothie. It's the 5th recipe taken from my recent smoothie ebook, So Many Gut-healing Smoothies. Hope you enjoy it. I'll leave the links for the ebook below this video. So these are the ingredients for the smoothie. I've got them all ready to go. I've got some frozen banana, 1 frozen banana, 2 Medjool dates, 1 whole red dragon fruit, also known as pink potato. You can also get it frozen. I just grabbed this packet just purely for the purpose of showing you that you can get it frozen as well. Coconut oil, cashews that have been soaked overnight, vanilla powder, coconut water, and the perfect hydrolyzed collagen powder. That's the gut healing element of this smoothie. Okay, so in my blender jug, I've got 1.5 cups of coconut water. I'm now going to add this cup of soaked cashews that I soaked overnight. A couple of Medjool dates, taking the seeds out obviously. The frozen banana. And then the beautiful dragon fruit, red dragon fruit. Definitely make sure it's the red one, not the white. The white one doesn't actually have that much flavour, and it doesn't have nowhere near the antioxidants that the red one has. So I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla powder. You could also use vanilla extract or vanilla bean paste or fresh vanilla bean. And I also added in a teaspoon of the coconut oil, perfect coconut oil, because it's raw, extra virgin and certified organic. And then finally I'm going to add in 2 scoops of the perfect hydrolyzed collagen powder. And now I'm going to whiz this up with some ice and we're good to go. Check out the colour. You can see why it gets the name Pink Flamingo. So vibrant. So pink. Put it in the light so you can see it. So there you have it, our gut healing pink flamingo smoothie. Enjoy. I almost forgot the desiccated coconut, so if you like coconut, add a little bit of coconut to the top of your smoothie. If you liked today's video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos. I'll leave all the links below the video in the comment section. Have a great day.